Oh, yeah, this is going good. Hi, welcome back to my bathroom and my channel. Today we're going to be opening up my beauty box from Walmart. It's my Walmart beauty box. And these are quarterly, in case editing me didn't put it down in the description below. This is a quarterly box. It's like $7 and change. Like, it's ridiculously affordable for myself, at least. I don't know about the rest of the world. Some of you might be too affordable. I don't know. But we're saran wrapped. Oh, trash. You get little bits and bobbles in here, sometimes full-size items, but they're always very much like deluxe size also. We're gonna dig into this. Oh, I forgot to tell you the date and time and year and month. Oh no, it's seasonal. So is this spring? Are we doing spring? Summer. Yesterday, the day before was the first day of summer. Summer 2025. Walmart beauty box. Yeah, that's all I got. That's the excitement for me for the day. For this. I see something in there that we've gotten before. Well, that I've gotten before. I don't know about you guys. Like, let me know what you guys have gotten from your Walmart beauty box in the comments below. But, cute little insert. It's the Sunshine in a Box Walmart beauty box for summer 2025. And these are all the things you could get, not that you will get, but you could get. And then some little advertisements on the back. Thank you. Ooh, I think that's the mascara. Yeah, that's the mascara I have in my bathroom. Works so good. Look at this. Look at this. Works so good. I love it. I have not tried this, and I've not tried this, but now I want to. Dang it, Walmart. Here I am trying not to spend money, and that's a lie. Okay. Let's get into this. The first one. This is not a full size. Oh, no, it tells you the price of the full size. So the price of the full size is $10.98. This is not a full size. This is the cutest little baby Sephora sample size of the CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara. It's a plant-powered Lush Volume Extreme mascara. Itty bitty teeny tiny cutesy wootsy. I like it. Oh, in extreme black. I love that they come out with the shade extreme black, because like, yes, I do black, but like extreme black, probably the same thing. Probably the same. But I love it. Okay. Hello? Are you the full size? No, you're not the full size. I was like, you look big. So this is from Eva NYC. Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. The full size is $13.97. Just a sec. Currently, what I've been putting in my ends a couple times a week. I do enjoy this brand. Cool. With hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. I heard vegan collagen is not as good as like animal collagen, because it's not the same as our collagen, so it doesn't fit with our collagen. Does that make sense? I'm still trying to grasp it, but cool. I picked a really good time to do a video on my bathroom. This was not planned, by the way. I just happened to get this and I was like, you know what? We're here. I'm here. You're there. Let me do this. The next item is from Sun Bum. It's the original sunscreen lotion SPF 30. The full size is $16.48. Moisturizing sunscreen formula. Protect your skin. Harmful UVA, UVB rays. Enriching skin with vitamin E. Water resistant. Great for all skin types. That's pretty cool. Thank you. Helps prevent sunburn. Helps prevent sunburn. That's a pretty good sample size too. That's pretty big compared to the mascara. But like, I've gotten teeny tiny mascara samples like that size, like itty bitty, and you're like, cool, I'll be able to get through half of a one lash. No, that's gonna last you a month. Easy. Probably shouldn't, but it does. But that's cool. Sun Bum. Ooh, what is this cutie patootie? Oh my god, that's so cute. I was like, this looks like... Oh, so you could have gotten 2. Huh. So what's the one I got? Coconut and vanilla. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Wait. Whole body deodorant. It's this one, right? Yeah. It's the Dove Coconut and Vanilla Whole Body Anti-Friction Stick. The full size is $11.99. Is it not just a deodorant? It says deodorant stick. Aluminum free. Ooh. That's... This smells... just like my current deodorant. It smells the same, except this is what, dragon fruit and coconut cream, and your vanilla and coconut. Smells almost identical. I think this is a lighter smell than this. I do like this though. That's pretty cool. Ooh. I'm gonna break stuff. How am I supposed to, just everywhere? Where do you... I mean, I have thighs. I have thighs for days. The thickest thighs. So I don't typically wear like the booty shorts out and about, even when I go swimming. Maybe when I go swimming. Is this like water resistant, waterproof? Is that gonna help? The chub rub? No. Ooh, but the last. This is the item I've gotten before. I don't know if anybody else has. Let me know in the comments. So this is the Tangle Teaser, the Essential Detangler Naturally Curly. For naturally curly hair, I'm assuming. The full size is $12.97. I'm gonna guess this is a full size. Actually, no, I think it's only 2 because I got one pink one and it's in my office. And then I have another one that I got before this, but I think I got it in a different subscription box. Also pink. But this stuff works pretty good. It's really nice and gentle on your hair. I just feel like when I have my thick hair and it's not all oily and like stuck to my scalp, when I have my thicker, like just washed hair, this doesn't get through all the layers of my hair. Even going top and then bottom, like I feel like it misses the middle. It's just not long enough for me. Does that make sense? No, that's fine. What else we got? Ooh, that's it. That's the whole Walmart beauty box. That's the whole thing. Let me show you. Can I show you? I should be able to. It's like this. And then this. I like that. That's a good size. And then kind of this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I only got 4. That little thingy over there counts as a 5. So that's it. That's the whole box. That's pretty good, honestly. Because, like, you can buy these little size thingies. Because I did that for, oh, what was that one deodorant? Something natural, something. I've done that. I bought in little ones of these. So you can buy this. Same thing with the Sunbum. I've seen these at Target. You can get the mini ones for travel. I don't know about this. This, honestly, I thought was a full size, or at least like a mini travel size as it is. So it's pretty big to me. But, cool. That's it. That's the whole box. I'm going to be looking into this. But that's the whole box. That was summer 2025 Walmart beauty box. I wish it ended right here, which is ended. But yeah, that's pretty cool. The whole box. And I feel like out of this whole box, I don't know if I want to use the Tangle Teaser or give it to somebody. Because, like, yeah, I have the hair to brush, but I don't feel like it does that good of a job for me. But then I'm like, who am I to just give a brush to somebody and expect them to, like, use it? Like, I mean, I guess they could re-gift it. Like, don't feel bad. Totally re-gift things I gift you. If you get them as gifts, you don't like them, re-gift them. I love that. I'm thinking too much into this. We're going to end this here because I'm just going to keep on yapping. Thanks for hanging out. If you like what you see, there's more videos in my Walmart Beauty Box playlist, and you can hit that like and subscribe button. Bye!